Are you over 40 and wondering how to turn your skills into a profitable online side hustle? You're not alone. Many people think that it's too late to start, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Today, I'm sharing some actionable tips to help you monetize your current skills, no matter what your background is. Stay tuned until the end where I'll share some valuable resources that can fast track your journey. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Well, let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to identify your marketable skills. I recommend that you start by taking inventory of your current skills. Think about your professional experience, your hobbies, and even those hidden talents that your friends and family always ask for help with. You might have a strong organisation skills or a knack for writing or a talent for public speaking. For example, if you spent years managing projects at work, you can offer consulting or virtual assistant services online. Now, to help you understand which skills are marketable, I recommend you look at what others are offering within the same niche. I suggest that you browse platforms like Fiverr.com and Upwork.com and even use LinkedIn to see the types of services that are in demand. This research will help you position your skill set in a way that resonates with potential clients. Remember though, people will pay for your expertise, especially if it solves a particular problem that they may have. Now, don't be afraid to niche down. It's tempting to market yourself broadly, but specialising can actually make you stand out. For instance, instead of offering general marketing services, you could specialise in helping local businesses improve their social media presence. The more specific that you are, the easier it is to attract the right clients. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to create a service-based business. One of the quickest ways to monetize your skills is through a service-based business. This could be consulting, freelancing, coaching, or offering any skill directly to clients. For example, if you're an accountant, you can offer bookkeeping services to small businesses that can't afford full-time staff. I recommend that you start small and build up. I recommend that you create packages that cater to different budgets, like a basic, standard, and premium offering. This tiered pricing approach allows you to attract a wide range of clients and upsell as you provide your value. You can offer a free initial consultation to build more trust and showcase your expertise. I suggest that you use online tools like Calendly to schedule sessions and PayPal or Stripe for payment processing. You don't need a fancy setup to actually get started. I suggest that you focus on delivering high value and collecting testimonials that can be showcased on your website or on your social media. Positive feedback is also your best marketing tool. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to launch a digital product. Digital products like ebooks, online courses, templates, or printables are fantastic ways to earn passive income online. If you're knowledgeable in a specific area, you can package that expertise and knowledge into a product that people can purchase repeatedly. For instance, if you have experience in graphic design, for example, you could sell Canva templates that small business can use for their social media. I recommend creating a digital product that doesn't have to be very complicated. I suggest you start by outlining your main ideas and turning them into a simple guide or a simple checklist. You can use platforms like Gumroad or Teachable to host and sell your products. They handle the technical side so you can focus on creating value. I recommend that you make sure to market your product very effectively. I suggest that you use social media such as TikTok and Instagram, and also email marketing, and even use online communities where you can target audiences where they actually hang out. I also recommend that you offer a free preview or a discount code to drive initial sales and gather feedback to further refine your product over time. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to teach online classes or workshops. Teaching online is a great way to share your knowledge and get paid for doing it. You can host live workshops on platforms like Zoom or create pre-recorded classes for sites like Udemy or Skillshare. If you're good at something, there's a good chance someone wants to learn it from you, whether it's photography, business management, or even something like cooking. I recommend that you break down your topic into digestible lessons that are very easy to follow and highly engaging. People over 40 often have rich life experience that translates well into teaching, so consider how your personal and professional journey can offer unique insights that set your class apart. For example, if you spend years in corporate sales, you could teach negotiation tactics for beginners. I recommend that you promote your classes through your network, word of mouth, and social media, and even use LinkedIn, which can be very powerful tools to attract new students. I recommend that you use testimonials and highlight the practical outcomes that your classes. I also recommend that you offer like learning a new skill that can immediately be applied to real world situations. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to offer one-on-one coaching or mentoring. Coaching and mentoring can be incredibly rewarding, both personally and financially. Whether it's career coaching, life coaching, or helping people navigate a specific industry, your insights are highly valuable. If you've had a long career or unique life experiences, people will pay for guidance that helps them avoid mistakes and fast tracks their own success. I recommend that you define your coaching niche and set clear goals for your clients. For example, a former HR professional could offer career coaching for mid-level professionals looking to advance. The key is to provide actionable advice that brings real results, like resume reviews, interview tips, or personalized career plans. I recommend that you offer free or discounted initial sessions to attract clients and showcase the value that you can actually bring. I recommend that you collect testimonials and case studies to build your credibility and trust with future clients. A strong track record will help you charge premium rates over time. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to start a blog or YouTube channel. If you enjoy writing or speaking, consider starting a blog or a YouTube channel on a topic that you're passionate about or something that has a lot of demand in the marketplace. These platforms can be monetized through ad revenue, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products. The key is to focus on delivering consistent, high quality content that addresses the needs and the pain points of your audience. I recommend that you choose a niche that aligns with your expertise and your passion, and something that has a lot of demand. For example, a professional with years in finance could start a blog teaching people how to budget, save, and invest. The more specific your content, the easier it will be to attract a dedicated audience. I recommend that you use tools like Google Trends and Answer the Public to find out what your target audience is actually searching for. I then recommend that you promote your content through social media and networking. I recommend that you collaborate with other creators in your niche to expand your reach. Remember, building a loyal audience will take some time, but with persistence, it can become a very valuable asset that generates multiple streams of income for you. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to offer your skills on freelance platforms. Freelance platforms like Upwork.com and Fiverr.com and Freelancer.com are great for getting your foot in the door and connect with clients who need your skills. Whether it's writing, design, consulting, or data analysis, you can list your services and start receiving job offers almost immediately. I recommend that you create a professional profile that highlights your experience and showcases examples of your best work. I suggest that you use keywords that your potential clients might actually search for, and make sure to include any relevant certifications or accolades that you have. I suggest that you start by offering competitive rates to build your reputation and gather positive reviews. Over time, as you build a portfolio of successful projects, you can increase your rates and become more selective with the clients that you actually work with. Now, don't hesitate to pitch your services directly to businesses that could benefit from what you have to offer. Being proactive can actually set you apart from other freelancers. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to sell on e-commerce platforms. If you're crafty or have a product idea, selling on e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or Shopify can be a very profitable online venture. Whether it's handmade crafts, digital art, or a unique product that you've developed, these platforms provide access to millions of potential buyers without needing to open a physical store. I recommend you start by identifying a niche product that solves a problem or serves a unique market. For example, if you're skilled at knitting, you could sell handmade scarves with a twist, like customizable collars or eco-friendly materials. The more unique your product is, the easier it will be to stand out. I recommend that you invest some time in learning about SEO, which is search engine optimization, and marketing. Great photos, engaging descriptions, and positive reviews can significantly boost your online sales. I also recommend that you use social media such as Instagram and TikTok to drive traffic to your listings, and consider offering special promotions to attract first-time buyers. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to use affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by promoting products or services from other companies and businesses. This is a great way to monetize a blog, a YouTube channel, or social media following without needing to create your own product. Simply recommend products that you use and you trust, and you earn a percentage of the sale generated through your unique referral links. I recommend that you focus on promoting products that align with your niche and with your audience. If you run a fitness blog, for instance, you could promote exercise gear, supplements, or online training programs. The key is authenticity, so I recommend that you only recommend what you genuinely actually believe in, as your audience will sense insincerity otherwise. I recommend that you sign up for affiliate programs like ClickBank, Amazon Associates, or Share a Sale, or other niche specific programs directly from actual companies. I recommend that you keep track of your results to see which products resonate best with your target audience, and tweak your strategy over time to maximize earnings. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to start a subscription service or membership community. A subscription service or membership community can provide a steady stream of income while allowing you to build deeper relationships with your audience. This could be a paid newsletter, a private Facebook group, or a Patreon community where you share exclusive content, resources, or one-on-one access. For example, if you're an expert in personal finance, you could offer monthly financial tips, budgeting templates, and Q&A sessions in a members-only group. The key is to offer ongoing value that keeps people subscribed. Think about what your audience would find beneficial on a recurring basis, like weekly industry updates, live coaching sessions, or exclusive discounts on services. Platforms like Patreon, Substack, or even a private Discord server make it very easy to manage memberships and process payments without needing extensive technical skills. Now, to help you grow your community, I recommend that you offer a free trial or a low entry level tier that gives potential members a taste of what you offer. I also suggest you encourage existing members to refer friends or share their positive experiences on social media. The compounding effect of word of mouth can turn your membership into a thriving community that not only generates income but also positions you as the go-to expert in your niche. Okay, so there you have it, 10 powerful tips that you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are hands-on resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up, because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.